Okay, so in this video we are going to talk about data cleaning, why data cleaning, what I mean by data cleaning here. So far what we have done, we have all our data in our table. We have our historical data, and we have our we have our daily summary. The next part will be working on working with performance analytics and creating the dashboard. Before doing anything, what we need to do, we have to make sure that we have an accurate data. Okay, so what you see here, this is a score sheet. Once you have done with the performance analytics, you can see this score sheet. I'm showing you this in advance just to give you some details. You can see here I have United Kingdom, UK, United States of America, USA, Venezuela and Venezuela Bolivarian Republic. Okay, so we have duplicates and we need to replace, we should have only one country, okay, for United States, for example. So the United States of America is created while we are loading the data for the historical data, and USA was created when we were loading the daily summary. So what we need to do at this point is just go through our table and look for United States of America, all the records, and replace it by USA. And we have to do for all the countries where we have the duplicates. So I put in the description or in the resource section, depending on the platform I'm posting this video, we have a file where you can actually see all the duplicates. There are around 15 countries, not more than that, so it takes around 20 minutes to do the data cleaning. So all you need to do, go through all these countries and replace it. Okay, United States of America by USA, United Kingdom by UK, and so on. Okay, so I put the countries in the description, in the file, so you can use that one. The second thing, we don't have data for China and Australia. Unfortunately, the API is not giving us any data, so I cannot do much more. But what I can do, I have another instance where somehow I took the data for China and Australia, I guess. So it's going to be an optional section, probably I will have after, in the end, once we have done with the course. Probably there will be another section I will be updating there. Either there will be an Excel file sheet that you can have it in order to load this historical data for China, or I will create a scripted API that you can use in order to send a request to another instance that I have, where you can send the request to pull the data and then put the data into your table. This is completely optional. I'm not sure that will be done in a certain time. So yeah, the third thing is we do have some records where we don't have the location field. Okay, we have around 2 records. So all you need to do is to run a query in your table and then see where you don't have any location. So you just go to location field, type =no, and press enter. It's going to give you two records, and you can delete them. Okay, that's it. Now let's see how we can for example replace for where we have a duplicate. Okay, so this is the table where I have all the records, for example here for Iran Islamic Republic. This is a historical data. This country was created when we imported the historical data. Okay, and the current data is Iran. So I should replace all of this by Iran. So if you try to select everything and then replace it, it's going to give you an error. Security prevents writing to this field, because when we were creating our design form, when we were editing or creating the fields in our design form, we set the location field to read only. So we have to uncheck that box. That's what we are going to do right now. Okay, this is our design form, and you can see here there is the location field. Click on the kind of settings icon, uncheck the read only box, and click on save. That's it. Now select all the records here, all the column, location column. So So you can select everything. And then right click, sorry, just click on it and then change it to Iran, and then select the country, and then that's it. So this is a way we can actually replace for example Iran Islamic Republic of by Iran. So you have to do the same thing for all countries. There are only 15 countries, so that's fine. So thanks for watching. So this was our session for how to clean the data in our table.